2 description. Module 2 focuses on interviewing and hiring best practices that ensure the best selection of candidates. Participants will learn how to conduct structured interviews, assess candidate fit, and make informed hiring decisions to build a high-performing team. Before you begin the interviewing and hiring process, consider these questions. How are you interviewing? What are quality interview questions? Who is conducting the interviews? Pause 10 seconds. Hook. Imagine hiring a new childcare staff member who looks great on paper but struggles to connect with children and parents. A structured hiring process helps prevent costly hiring mistakes and ensures you bring in staff who are not only qualified, but also passionate and aligned with your childcare program's values. Instructor greeting. Hi everyone, and again, welcome to Lesson 2, Interviewing and Hiring for Success, Nurturing and Safe Environment for Children. Finding the right staff is one of the most important decisions you'll make as an early childcare leader, and today we'll cover how to hire the best people for the job.